Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I will show you if you have a Redmi phone which is very slow at all, so how to make it faster, and this is all about how you can do it very easy without installing any tool or application to your Android device by opening up the setting. In the setting you have to find out additional settings, and after that you have to scroll down to find out accessibility. Once you click on that, you have to go on vision, which is on the right one, and once you got here in vision you will get remove animations. When you just enable this option, the animation will be removed from your Android device and your Android device will be faster than before. You can try it. It's actually completely free and you can do it with your phone and you will see the difference. And that's all about how to make your Android device faster. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.